Today is my birthday, and look at the weather forecast. Rainy with a chance of getting wet.
Rainy with a chance of rain.
But the rain won't stop us.
No, senor.
Don't go chasing waterfalls.
Our first stop of the day, souvenir shopping. Makes you wonder actually who runs the world. We looked at hundreds of items and we bought one. To our surprise, we found Mexican food in south of Iceland. 2 quesadillas to go. I was too hungry to film it and the road conditions were too bad to not film it.
Misty conditions. You can barely see the traffic and the road.
Despite the weather conditions, I was mind blown at the beauty of the Black Beach. It is totally different from what I'm used to in the Caribbean.
We didn't invite the clouds, but they are sticking close.
Our third stop of the day, we are only here because of the Puffins. Since the YouTube channel is not monetized yet, we charge €5 per picture.
Puffin paradise to the left, river water, black sand beach, and the sea. All these puffins are just chilling here, so freaking cute. We got lucky to see some puffins today, really cute. They're flying everywhere. I know it's foggy, but this is one of the most beautiful spots I've seen in Iceland. And you see all the birds flying and chilling. I think their homes are up there. So it's raining and we stopped to check something out, because in Iceland apparently they believe in elves and trolls. Oh, I don't think this has anything to do with elves and trolls. It's kind of scary. To be honest, it's kind of scary. Don't go up the mountains, it's private property. Let's go and check. It's beautiful. They say to leave your offerings. Yeah, it's kind of scary. We, with Latino blood, whenever we see candles and ask for your offering, it's kind of scary. I don't have any coins, so I can only leave my good vibe and blessings.
The weather had cleared up a bit, so we scheduled a last stop for today.
Monster trucks of Iceland. There's 1, 2, and 3. Smaller one. You can hear it. Majestic. You can actually walk behind the waterfall. It started raining, but the waterfall is really impressive. Really impressive. You can walk on this side. Everybody's taking pictures. Sarah's soaking wet. It was a bit clear a few minutes ago, but suddenly it's like raining again. I'll have to turn it off because I don't have the cover.
Funny thing is, we left this morning and we left our hiking shoes because it was wet from the previous day. and the weather was not cooperating, so today we are wet again. What I have to say is that in Iceland, if the weather doesn't cooperate, you just have to go and enjoy the day, and that is what we did. Despite the weather conditions, we enjoyed. We finished our night with some traditional Icelandic food, and I can never forget that Sarah ate some traditional horse meat lasagna.
Trying horse meat for the first time.
You feel the taste.
Is it good?
Sí, es delicious.
And if you like this type of video, hit the like and subscribe button. Until the next time.